for TraderInsight.com. I'm Adrian Mans, and I am happy today. So it's October 10th, 2018. We finally got the big move that we've been looking for to the downside in the markets. I set it up with 8 possible trades, all on the short side for your XRV setups for today. And what a beautiful day it turned out to be. The first one on the list, ALK. I had a 63.57 stop on this one initially, a 62.35 trigger price. I was expecting a lot more volatility this morning than we wound up seeing in these things, but look what happened. Trigger 62.35 straight down to that 61.64 profit objective. No problem getting filled. 71 cents per share traded. Next one on the list was Albemarle Corporation, ticker symbol ALB. Here's another one. 96.97 was the threshold for the entry. 98.02 was the stop out price that I was looking at. The move down to the profit objective was $1. It went even further. Didn't manage to grab the extension. Didn't go that far anyways. $1 per share traded, though, on ALB. Allison Transmission Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol ALSN. Here's another one. I had a 50.94 overhead stop on this one, a 50.27 entry threshold. 49.50, the number that we were looking for. It took a lot longer for this one to develop. You know, if you were there, that it got down to 50%, came back up, got right back into that entry threshold again. By that point, I had moved my stop on that trade down just above that third bar of trading, was probably where you should have all been looking, $50.40. In any case, this one, 77 cents per share traded when it rounded back down again and hit our target. AWI, Armstrong World Industries, 66.22 was the trigger threshold, 66.95 the stop. Never came anywhere near that. Very easy to pull the stop down on this one after the first few minutes of trading. We had about 15 minutes into the session before 66.53 became the number to beat. This one actually dragged out the entire day, but what a beautiful day it was. 91 cents per share traded on AWI. Ingredient Incorporated, ticker symbol INGR. Here's another one, triggered early in the session, 102.50. Stop was up at 103.64 initially. Never got us out. It did manage to climb back up into the range and put in some tops that gave us a good reason to move the stop down just about to here, just below this range, 103.30. And then, of course, by the end of the day, INGR up $1 per share traded. ITT, this one, I had a stop up around $57.50 initially on this one. 57.35 was the entry threshold. I missed this one. It was tradable. It was gettable. It just got in there too fast. I didn't have the order set up to pick me up on this because I was using a conditional that was set at 56.25 for the threshold, but I know that it was possible, and I know that probably some of you grabbed this one as it made the move lower, and this was an opportunity for profit, though I won't be recording it as a profit on the Fastball XRV setups page, just because I figure that if I had a hard time coming around to this one, then some of you probably did too, plus we all had plenty on our plates, which brings us to LyondellBasell Industries, ticker symbol LYB. I had a stop on this one, $100.74, entry threshold, $99.50. Stock got us in first thing in the morning. By 10 o'clock in the morning, it made the move, $1 per share traded, LYB. And finally, Xylem Incorporated, ticker symbol XYL, 74.35 was the entry threshold, 75.28 the stop. After the gap on the open, 86 cents per share traded on XYL. Rick and Julie and I could not be in the room today. We're going to be there tomorrow morning to navigate what is almost certainly going to be a bounce on the open. Let's see what those overnight futures do, and ultimately the arbiter here is going to be how the market opens in the morning. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.